Hey guys, so this video, because I'm bored, is going to be on, what the hell? Okay.
Why don't you let him watch it?
We're in the weird part of Grown Ups 2 where dude is licking girl's arm.
Be silent.
A man. A woman. She has a dick.
Be together.
So it's an it.
Didn't you see her mustache?
It's fake, honey. Okay. I'm not really going to edit this video. Or better yet, just fast forward that part.
We should be on live.
No, we shouldn't. This is going on YouTube. But pretty much, this video is going to be on not what we were just talking about, but on the fact that there's a video on Facebook of a dude washing his horse in a car wash. And not with a water hose, with a pressurized water hose.
Eddie Bauer was an outdoor guide.
Dude, like, are you a freaking idiot or something?
People outside.
I can take off paint of my house on my house with that sucker.
Working side by side with
And you can wash your horse with it.
designed
Fool, you stupid.
because just like Eddie, we believe that life is better out here, where it's wild, beautiful.
I think this video will probably go back to
Now go,
the
live your adventure.
previous video I made this morning in the dark.
It's your TV.
I accidentally deleted the wrong video.
And AT&T, watch all your live channels on your
But anyways,
free. Switch to DirecTV.
this fool is putting car wash soap on his horse, scrubbing it down with that soap, and then he takes a pressurized hose and starts spraying his horse in the face, all over the body, etc. I mean, it's just like, dude, are you freaking serious? But I guess you can't really fix stupid. So yeah.